Within CloudTruth, you're going to find yourself a ton of times wanting to see exactly what's happening inside your environment. So what's being created, what integrations are being created, what's being updated, what templates are being deployed, all of this stuff. But how can you do it? You can look at one of your projects and maybe go to a template if you have one or some parameters and see what's there. But that doesn't really help you have a single place to actually be able to view all of this stuff. So how can we do it? Under organization, you have an option called Audit Log. And if you click on Audit Log and then you click search, you'll see everything that has happened throughout a specific period of time. But we can actually get even a little bit more granular here. So first things first, we can click on action and then we could choose what action we want. So for example, let's say you want to search everything that has happened from a create action. I can click on create, I can click on search, and then as you can see, all of the create results are here and it shows the action, the type. For example, if I was changing a parameter or a value or I was granting some permissions, the name, for example, this parameter right here has a tag of name and that was created. And then it shows the user, so myself, and then the timestamp of when it occurred. Now you can also search via object type. So for example, let's say you want to look and you want to see when GitHub was integrated with CloudTruth. You can go ahead and you can click on GitHub integration, you can click search, and then as you can see that on 3/8/2022, Michael Levan connected the GitHub test org to CloudTruth. Next, and then you can even search your users. So you can search actual users or you can search API keys. Now, when I say API keys, when you create an API key to do a CloudTruth login from the CLI, for example, or when you run any CloudTruth commands, you're doing it through an API so you can see what those API users did. So if I click on API 1 and I click search, you can see here that API user 1 did a few deployments via some MySQL and some WordPress stuff on 3/22. And then finally, you can choose the range that you want. So maybe you want to search literally everything, or you can choose a specific range. So maybe I want to choose between the 21st of March and the 25th of March. I can click search, and then I can see everything that has happened during that week. And finally, if you don't want to look through the UI and you want to be able to save these results somewhere or send them to somebody, you can click download JSON. And then as you can see, here are all of the logs right here.